together a air blowing gun and a vacuum attachment as well too. So as you blow air through the tool, so the little blue piece there was designed and 3D printed by our friends at Axis Zero. So shout out to the guys there, especially Mr. Victor Camargo runs the show in that place there. So if you ever need anything designed mechanically, prototypes, or any 3D printed parts, you reach out to Axis Zero. They'll take care of you there. So back to your project here. Still got some moving parts on order. All we can work on now is finish up the cleaning on the side.